In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 passive income ideas to make money for yourself every month. Now, there are two main types of income. We have the active income and we have the passive income. Active income is the money received for providing a service or a product, and it can be in form of a salary from your employer or by selling physical products or income from even your business. Now, on the other hand, passive income is the money you earn on the side of your day job or your business, or while you are busy with schoolwork with just minimal effort. Now, how does passive income work? Now, a lot of people think passive income is the type where you don't put in any work at all. No, it's not like that. Now, the truth is that at the beginning, you will need to sacrifice something to set up your passive income idea. It can be your time, your energy, or even money, or even everything. But you surely need to sacrifice something to set up your passive income idea. It is after setting it up that you can now be earning money from it without spending a dime again, or even without doing any active work. So if you properly build your passive income idea and get consistent with it, it will come to the point where your passive income will be more than your active income. And having different sources of passive income is also really important now, as it can help you achieve your financial goals in the long term and achieve financial freedom and even earn money while you sleep. And also, it helps you to diversify your income sources. Now, let's take a look at the 10 best passive income ideas to build and make money. Number one is to invest in the stock market. Now, of all the passive income ideas I'll be talking about in this video, this is my favorite one to do. And this is because it has more advantages than disadvantages. And if you are young like me, it can help you build wealth in the long term because you have a lot of time to invest and make money in the stock market. Now, some things you need to know about investing in the stock market are: first, you don't need to start with too much money. Two, you don't need to put in a lot of time. Three, you can make a lot of money in the long term. Four, you can lose your money if you pick the wrong stock. And five, it will work for you if you are investing consistently. And if you are young, time is on your side, so start investing in the stock market now. Now, how do you invest in the stock market? Now, here is how you can start investing in the stock market. First, you need to do your research. You need to look for an investment app that can allow you to invest in stocks. And in Nigeria, we have the Trove app and we have the Bamboo app. And on our channel, we have videos on these apps. The links to these videos will be in the description below. Now, the next thing is to decide how much you want to invest in the stock market. And you can decide to invest an exact amount of money periodically in a stock. Now, what I mean by this is that you can say you want to invest $100 weekly or monthly in a particular stock. Now, once you've decided on how much you want to invest, the next thing is to choose the stocks you want to buy. Now, I'll be making a video very soon on the stocks that have made me money and also recommend some stocks to you guys. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you know when the video is out. Now, once you've started investing in the stock market, the next thing is, how can you now make money from the stock market? Now, there are two ways to make money in the stock market. You have the dividend income and the capital growth. Now, dividend income is the real way to make passive income in the stock market, and you only make money through capital growth when you sell your stocks. So what is dividend income and what is capital growth? Now, when you invest in dividend stocks, the company pays you a percentage of your investment periodically, and it can be every 3 months or every 6 months or even every 12 months. While for capital growth, let's say you buy a share of a growth stock at, let's say, $100 per share, and then after 1 year, the value of that stock has moved up to $200 per share. Now, once you sell your shares, the profit on that capital is what is called the capital growth. So I hope you understand these two ways of making money in the stock market. I said we have dividend income and capital growth. So these are the two ways you can make money in the stock market. And if you're interested in knowing more ways about investing and making money in the stock market, I'll be making a full guide on it very soon. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. There are a lot of educative videos that are coming very soon. The second passive income idea is to invest in REITs. Now, if you want to invest in real estate, but you don't have too much money or you don't want to deal with tenants, then REITs are for you. Now, what are REITs? REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Now, a REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances multiple real estate or properties that produce passive income. Now, how can you invest and make passive income from REIT? Now, you can invest in REIT through the Trove investment app or even through the Cable app. Now, these two apps can allow you to invest in real estate with as little as $10. Now, once you pick a rate of your choice to invest in on any of these two apps and you invest any amount of your choice, you'll be paid a percentage as dividend income while your capital is also growing. So if you want to see videos on how to invest in REIT on Cable or the Trove Investment app. I'll put the links to those videos in the description below. The third passive income idea is crypto savings. Now, if you are someone who doesn't want to be involved with crypto trading or even studying the crypto charts, and you still want to make passive income with your crypto, then this is for you. Now, today, there are various crypto apps and websites where you can invest your crypto and even earn more crypto at a high interest rate. Now, for example, you can put your crypto into savings or log staking on Binance or Bybit and earn more money in crypto. Now, earning passive income with your crypto is actually a cool way to invest your crypto without trading. And I have videos on how you can earn passive income on Bybit and Binance with your crypto. The links to those videos will also be in the description below. The fourth passive income idea is to start a YouTube channel. Now, starting a YouTube channel now can turn out to be one of the best decisions you ever make in few years to come. Now, a lot of people are making a full-time income on YouTube, and it has become so popular that about 75% of children between the ages of 6 to 17 want to become YouTubers. Now, there are people out there who want to start a YouTube channel, but they are procrastinating. And this is because they keep doubting their abilities and thinking they can't make it on YouTube. Now, if you don't start, you can't know if you'll make it on YouTube or if you will fail at it. But how do you start a YouTube channel? Now, the first thing I always advise people to do is to know how YouTube works. And the second thing is to find your niche. Now, finding your niche, make sure that it's something that you have passion for, so that it will be easy for you to grow. Now, the third thing is to develop a strategy you want to work with on your YouTube channel. And the fourth thing you need to do is to check out other YouTubers in your niche and see what they are doing and what you can learn from them. And for number 5, get recording equipment. There are phones that have good cameras and there are mics that cost less than $20. And if you can get a ring light too, that's good. And then number 6 is to start making videos. And number 7, keep getting better. But how do you make money with your YouTube channel once you start? Now, there are different ways to make money on your YouTube channel. I will not be explaining them. I'll just list them out because very soon I want to make a full guide on how you can start a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel, and make money from it. So if you are ready for that video, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you know when the video is out. Now to the different ways you can make money on your YouTube channel. Now, the first way you can make money on your YouTube channel is through YouTube ads. The second way is through affiliate marketing. The third way is through selling digital products. The fourth way is through brand deals. And the fifth way is by selling ebooks. And the sixth way is you can create a membership group where your audience can join. And the last one is by selling merch. So you can see that there are multiple ways you can make money by just starting a YouTube channel. So if you have been wanting to start a YouTube channel for a very long time, then you should consider starting now. Number 5 is to start a blog. Now, starting a blog is unarguably one of the best ways to make passive income for yourself. It is a great way to express yourself through writing, and it's also a way to make money for yourself. And you can be making as high as $1,000 to $10,000 every month with your blog once you've put in the required work. Now, one thing I love about having a blog is that you can start a blog about anything. Yes, anything. You can start a blog about finance, animals, stories, tech, tutorials, food, fashion, and so on. The list is too endless. Now, there are different ways you can make money from a blog, but before I list them, you should know that you can't start making money from your blog immediately you start. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to build your blog and wait for some time before you can start making money from your blog. And here are the different ways you can make money from your blog. Also, I'll not be explaining them. I'll just list them out for you. Now, the first way is through Google Ads. The second way is through affiliate marketing. The third way is through digital products. The fourth way is by selling your services. The fifth way is through sponsorship deals. The sixth way is by offering coaching services. And the seventh way is by selling a course. And then number 8 is when you start selling a merch. And number 9 is by selling an ebook. So you can see that I have just listed 9 ways you can make money with just a blog. And there are still more ways if you make your research. And now that you know that you can make money with a blog, the next thing is blogging right for you? Now, to be honest, blogging is not for everybody. And blogging is right for you if you love writing, or if you have a passion for a subject, or for a topic, or if you are patient. And if you can express yourself through writing, or you can teach through writing, or maybe you can commit your time and energy to something, then blogging is for you. So if you have all of these qualities, then you should consider starting a blog today. And there are tutorials online that you can watch to start a blog on YouTube. Now, number 6 is to rent your properties. Now, if you are looking for ways to make money without doing anything, one of them is renting your properties. Now, it is one of the best passive income ideas out there, and you can earn an extra income passively by renting out those things people need but you are not using. You can rent out your empty apartment, your car, your bike, your gadgets, your equipment, your office space, and so on. There are people who create businesses out of just renting out their properties, and you can also make passive income from this. Number 7 is to sell ebooks. Now, selling ebooks is definitely one of the easiest ways to make money in today's world. You can write an ebook and earn great passive income for a very long time after writing the ebook. And in fact, it is now easier for people to buy ebooks than for them to go to bookshops to buy books. And selling an ebook is really good because it is highly profitable, it is easy to write, and it is very cheap to create. And one thing you should know is that you have to commit time upfront to write your ebook so well, and you also need to have a plan on how you are going to edit, promote, and market your ebook. But after creating your ebook, you have a passive income source for the rest of your life, or for as long as you want. Number 8 is to sell a video course. Now, another way to make passive income is to create and sell a video course. I have a video course on crypto trading which I created in November of 2021, and I'm earning passive income from that course till today. Now, before you build a course, you should consider these 3 things. Number 1, you need to identify what you are good at and what you want to teach. Number 2 is decide how you want to record your course. And number 3 is know how you promote your course. These 3 things are very important. And building a video course requires some upfront commitment and work and some little investment. And if you want to make a lot of money for a very long time from your course, then you should build a course that is well detailed and informative. And after creating your course, you also need to dedicate time to promoting the course. Now, the more you promote your course, the more successful it will definitely be. And in case you're interested in learning how to create a course and make money from it, let me know in the comment section. I'll consider creating a video on that. Number 9 is to put your money in a high interest savings account. Now, one of the easiest ways to make passive income is definitely to open a high interest savings account. Having a high interest savings account is better than having your regular savings account in the bank because you will get higher interest on your money when you put in your money in a high interest savings account. Now, with a high interest savings account, you earn passive income by just saving your money and nothing else. And if you are from Nigeria, you should consider opening a high interest savings account on Cowrywise or Piggyvest, where you can earn between 10 to 20% interest on your money. Number 10 is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is an advertising model where the owner of a product pays others, that is the affiliate, to promote the product and make sales. Now, there are so many companies out there that allow people to sign up as affiliates on their platforms to make money. And you can sign up on some of these platforms and get your affiliate account or your affiliate link and refer people to these platforms and earn a commission. Now, there are different ways you can maximize your sales with affiliate marketing. You can start by creating videos or blog posts where you review certain products that have affiliate links, or you create guides on how to use this product and attach your affiliate link to the video or to the blog post or to the guide that you have created. And that's the only thing you need to do. Then when people find your video or your blog post, they use your referral link and you get a commission. And the more people use your link, the more money you make. So these are the 10 passive income ideas that you can start today and even earn up to as high as $1,000 and more per month if you put in the work. Passive income ideas are great ways to build multiple sources of income without having to overstress yourself. And in the long term, your passive income can even be more than your active income. You just need to be patient, be consistent, and put in the work. And no matter the kind of person you are, there's a passive income idea for you. Trust me, there's a passive income idea for you. So just start one today and start making your money. And if you need ideas on the digital product to sell online, I have a video on that where I talked about the 13 digital products to sell online to make money. The video will be in the description below, or you click on the video showing on your screen right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.